Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we'll try to solve Leetcode problem 1281, which is we have to subtract product and sum from this number. So what we have to do is we have got this input num and input n, which is 2 3 4. So we have to multiply each of its digit from all the numbers, like 2 into 3 into 4, which will be 12, and 2 into 3 into 4, which will be 24, and then we have to add 2 plus 3 plus 4, which will be 9. Then you have to subtract this 9 from 24 and return the answer, which is 15. So it's literally that easy. It's not that hard. So let's try to do it. And yeah, so basically I'll just explain you again, and you can see it here basically. But if you don't understand from here, I'll show you again here. So what's happening? 2 into 3 into 4, which is 24, and then 2 3 4. If you add this, then you get like 2 plus 3 plus 4, you get 9, right? And then if you subtract both of those, 24 minus 9, you get 15. That's all. That's the whole problem. So in order to achieve that, what you have to do, so what we can do is, first, for sure, we need to make this number and this number. So we have to do sum first and product first of what? This n. But we don't have this n, like this is a number. We can always go through all the numbers using arrays. So we want to convert this n. What is this n? 2 3 4. We want to make this somehow this 2 3 4. If you do till here, your half of the problem is solved. After this, you just have to loop through it and store all the sum and multiplication values. So converting till here, it's 50% of the problem. So how would you do it? So let's try to do it. So I'll show you first. Okay, so what we can do is, so I'll create a variable new num, yeah, and I'll say, okay, what I have to do first, I want to change it to a string. Okay, I'll show you more steps so first how we'll try to do it here, and then I'll show you how all the steps make sense. So 2 3 4, first we want to convert it to like this, right? Next step will be convert it to like this, 2 3 and 4, yeah, like that. And then next step would be literally remove the strings and just put it like 2 3 4. See, and how can we do this? So for that, we'll use the string method of JavaScript, and whatever you want to put inside it, it will convert to string. So here what's gonna happen, this whole thing is gonna turn to 2 3 4 like this. Then I want to split it, so I'll use split method, and now what's gonna happen, these things will turn to 2 like strings of 2 3 and 4, yeah. After this, what I want is, I want to map through it. Why? Because we want to convert it into an array and go through all of it. So instead of using a for loop, you can use a map, and inside that map you will say, for all of the n, this n, take this and convert it into a number. So we'll use the number method, and what you want to change, basically you want to change the number, right? So inside this, and so what this will do right here, this will give us 2 3 and 4. This is like this. So now our most of the problem is solved. Now what we'll do, we'll create variable sum, which will be 0, and we'll create variable product, which will be 1. Now why 1? Because we cannot initialize product as 0, because then whenever we'll try to run a for loop, every time it will become 0, and we don't want that. So now we'll run a for loop for variable I equals 0. I should be less than new num, which is our array, right? Dot length, and I plus plus, yeah. And then now what do I want? I want to store the sum. So sum would be sum plus new num at I, and that's how every time for loops run, we will have 2 plus 3 plus 4 basic. And then product will be product times new num at I, right? So after this, what will happen, I will get both the sum and product, and now what I want is, they want the product minus sum as the answers, like difference of them. So what we'll just return product minus sum. Nothing hard, just basics. And now I'll remove these things, and if I run the code now, it should work. Yeah. And if we say if it passes all the use cases, then it should work as well. Yeah, it did work. See, we got good runtime and good memory usage as well. So that was all. And thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. I make these videos to help you all. So please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your one subscription will motivate me a lot. See you soon with another video. Take care. Bye.